advertising everywhere, items on sale all the time. In a digital age, an order can be easily placed online within a minute. And so, people end up with a lot of unnecessary things in their very limited space, and their hoarder brain refuses to declutter. So they turn to professional help. Organizing consultant is an emerging career in China. Kang Xian is one of the first and still one of the few to practice this profession in Guangxi. She says currently there are only about 1,000 trained organizing consultants in China. But China's Ministry of Human Resources says in the next 2 years, this new industry will need at least 20,000 professionals to meet the rising demand.
Being a professional organizer means you have to be able to communicate well. You also need to have the sense of a designer, understanding the logic of display, create an artistic space for practical use. We charge about 10,000 yuan per household.
To professional organizing consultants like Yuan Chunnan, cleaning up is not just about tidying up the space. It's also about clearing up the thoughts in a time when materialism increases people's anxiety. She owns her own training workshop. Thousands of people have signed up for her podcast. But she says this isn't a simple job. By helping clients to declutter their space, she hopes to help them identify what's really important in their lives.
I want every people to know that organizing is not only for getting a very beautiful home, a very beautiful wardrobe, but also more important is about the invisible objects. It's like the sources around you, your thoughts, your life direction, relationship, and emotions.